We're all accustomed to shopping for groceries, and shopping for a car, and shopping for clothes. But how many of us really shop for insurance? Well, here's a guy who says shop for insurance. He's Robert Norberg. He's the president of the Independent Insurance Agents of Palm Beach County, and you say shop for insurance.
Most definitely, Kurt. In South Florida here, it's a very competitive market, and you need to find a good company, not just the best price. Too many people shop for price. They think insurance is all the same, but it's definitely not. You can be cutting out good coverages. You could be taking higher deductibles than you should be. And the key is to shop out there and see what's available in the market before you make that buying decision.
Now, I'm interested when you say that we have such a competitive insurance market here, because in the press we're told that so many insurers left this market after some of the hurricanes blew through.
Right. Well, not having a hurricane hit Florida in the last 9 years has brought back a lot of carriers. There's been plenty of new carriers. There's a lot of capital flowing into Florida, and they're willing to take a chance now again. So, you need to get out there, shop with an independent agent, of course. They have more options than your standard big box single brand agencies do. But if you check out trustedchoice.com, which is the national brand for independent agents, you'll probably be able to find a good local agency that can service all your insurance needs.
That's Trusted Choice.
It's trustedchoice.com, and that is the independent agent national brand.
Now, do you expect your agent to go through all of the contingencies with you regarding the whether you have a high deductible or a low deductible and what you're actually insuring?
Well, that's the thing about the independent agents and Trusted Choice. We're here to educate the consumer. We're not here just to say, here's your policy, sign here. We want to tell you about all the coverages, all the options, whether or not you need a low deductible or can afford a low deductible. Because sometimes, it's pay now or pay later, and you could buy a cheap policy and be stuck when the claim comes and not be able to fix your house.
If you're going to have a high deductible, have some cash on hand.
That's right, and know what you're having that high deductible on.
What's the biggest mistake that consumers make when they buy an insurance policy?
I think the biggest mistake is thinking that it is a commodity. I don't think they put enough emphasis on it. They think they just need it for the insurance transaction to get the job done to buy the house. But in the long run, they need to consider all the coverage options, because that's where it's going to help you out. That's what insurance is for, to fix you after the claim.
And even though it seems like it's just money out the door, hey, it's protection and you need it.
Most definitely. And I would encourage everybody to shop with that independent agent. Get out there, get many quotes as you can, and then make an educated decision.
Robert Norberg, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me.